Find features that distinguish it from other brands for OwlTree PCIe 3.0, x16, 22GB per SEC eGPU dock. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Compatible graphics cards. Any GPU with available drivers on the official NVIDIA or AMD websites can be used. For NVIDIA, this ranges from the top-end RTX 5090 all the way down to the GTX 450. The same applies to AMD graphics cards. Do not recommend graphics cards with Intel. Compatible devices, most Windows 10, 11. Linux-based laptop, desktop, or console, including the Lenovo Legion Go, with a Thunderbolt port and an Intel/AMD processor can be used. Some console with USB may 4 require a BIOS update to enable USB 4 functionality, compatible with USB 4, Thunderbolt 3, and Thunderbolt 4. Transfer speed. The device uses the JHL6340 controller, delivering speeds around 22 GB per SEC, compatible with both Win 10 and Win 11, offering better stability. Perfect for graphics work, video editing, AI art, and AAA gaming. Flexible 4 power input options, choose one CPU, 4+4 pin, Molex, PD 3.0, 12V max 60 watt, or DC 5521, 12V max 120 watt. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.